Welcome back to my channel. And now I will download driver app sound. This here the serial, and you type the driver download. I need download driver Windows 11 and official website. Click here. This one landing page loading. Okay, this here the printer. You type the scroll down, again. Click the button download. And this here the slide system operation. Click here. The Windows 8, Android, Chrome OS, and iOS, Linux, and Mac OS. This here Mac 11 and Mac 12, and this here the Windows 8, Windows 11, and Windows Server Vista and HP. This video you need download driver apps on Windows 11. Click Windows 11. This one driver landing page loading. Okay, is here the driver printer, not driver update, not driver update. This is the driver printer. This version is release update and the field sign. And click download. Driver download. If you need install driver for your printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer for your laptop or PC. Your laptop or PC detect the USB printer and you run the driver download and install finish. Easy install. If you need question, comment below, and if you need link download, comment below description. If you need link download below description. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my video.